2, 4, 1, 3. Ah, there it is. Good luck. Ooh. 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 All right, you guys can guess the team of this predictor. Oh, yes. Oh, interesting. Oh, interesting. Yes, I see. Remember, all 18 teams can be on this one, so you don't have to leave out the 3 from... Oh, Munchie, thank you, Munch. Munchie's here. She does like you, Dale. Well, I'd hope so. I'd hate for it to be one way, Steve. Look at her, just straight in there. Do you have the Simpson? Oh, the picture. Yes, yes. Hello, Simpson. Remember, 1 guess per person. I forget, actually. I honestly forget. Okay. Has anyone got it? Someone has got it. It is 13 of 35. Tim Taranto. That is the Tigers. And by my and checking out, it's Munchie. But we should probably see who actually hit that card. And Matus, the Minx. Hello, Minx, if you're watching. Hopefully you got rid of that bad smell. I'm talking about Gorman, of course. Yes, thank you, Tim. All right. Oh, also, Tim, you may have only just tuned in. Why is Tay asking me for thoughts and feelings on videos when she knows I'm breaking? That's very disappointing. It is Swami Peter Bedford. Sydney TC. I hope he said last night he only needed a couple. Hopefully this was one of them. Number 16, TC.